morning guys. In today's vlog I'll be showing you guys two types of coffees. One is of course how to operate my espresso machine, and people who don't even have this machine, you guys, I will show you an amazing instant coffee recipe which is also weight loss friendly. So yeah, keep on watching and please subscribe to my channel. So I do have a couple of ground coffees, Blue Tokai, Cafe Coffee Day one I got from Vietnam, and these are all home espresso machine compatible, so just check it and you will get it on Amazon also. There are dark roast, there are medium roast, some are compatible for French press and some are for home machine, so definitely check before you buy. I will leave the link of the ground coffees from Blue Tokai in the description box. I got these from Amazon. So it will look something like that and you will have to pour it to these cups. I just want one. I'm making one espresso, so there's a smaller katori types for that, and you just have to press it very lightly. These are come with the machine, okay, and very lightly, and just make it even and put it onto this particular handle sort, which will go and get fixed to this. Like there are hooks and you will have to fix it to the machine and twist it and make sure it's like fixed and it's tight. And this is where you'll pour the water. एक पीछे 1.5 लीटर, आई थिंक 2 लीटर तक पानी इसमें आ जाता है. सो यू हैव टू fill it up with water and the coffee and the water will mix and it will just pour out your espresso. After filling the water, you obviously have to switch on the machine and you have to wait. So till this blue light is blinking, it means the machine is preparing for the coffee, okay. The water is getting heated, so once the blue light stops blinking, only then you can go further. I'm just going to place my double walled glass mug, it just looks so cute, and wait for the light to stop blinking. Once it has stopped blinking, I'm just going to press this button. This is to let the water out. So first few seconds I will let the water out. Can you guys see? It just gives such a beautiful aroma, and after 10 seconds I will press 1 cup. Can you guys see? So there are 1 cup and there are 2 cups. I'm going to make 1 cup, so I'm just going to let 1 cup flow in, and look at that sound and that aroma. It's so pretty. It's just espresso mixed with warm water, which makes a beautiful cup of black coffee. And once it's done and you are done with it, just switch it off, and that's about it. And you get the finest, the most beautiful black coffee out of this machine. Look at that froth, guys. It just looks like a milk coffee. Look at the froth, but actually it's a black coffee. You can just have espresso shots, you can add milk to it. There's a lot you can do with this machine. It's just amazing. I will leave the link to the machine also in the description box. I got it from Amazon. Now for people who do not have a coffee or espresso machine, I have an amazing instant coffee recipe for you guys, where you need just your regular Nescafe, and I'm just going to add this flavored vanilla chocolate flavor coffee to it. You can skip it if you don't like flavored coffee. Just add warm water, and I'm going to use this very cheap whisking machine. It's so affordable. It's I think for 100 rupees. This whisker also, you'll get it on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link, and just froth it for 1 or 2 minutes. It'll become very frothy, like dalgona coffee situation. It's fun to do this also. Just hear the noise. Then add some ice, and I'm going to add stevia because I don't have sugar. If you have sugar, you can add, but this is the healthy version. I'm going to add almond milk. You can also add regular milk if you don't have almond milk, but it's very simple. It's like a cold coffee, cold brew type of a very chilled, easy way to enjoy your coffee. It just is so delicious and tasty. Definitely try it out, especially in the summer month, and it has very low calorie, so it's amazing for weight loss as well. Also, I've been thinking about showing you guys my entire bathroom, like how I decorated it, and also doing a dedicated video for like a self-care Sunday routine, also like a shower routine. Let me know if you guys are interested in something like that, because I am absolutely obsessed with currently body care, summer body essentials basically. So if you're interested, let me know. Currently, I've been loving this In the Stars from Bath and Body Works shower gel. This smells so amazing. It lathers up so well. Definitely try it out, especially if you like good smelling shower gels. I am obsessed with this Victoria's Secret Cocoa Pineapple Scrub. It smells so good and it's a beautiful gritty scrub. You definitely, if you can get your hands, please try this one out from Victoria's Secret. I'm currently obsessing over satin nightwears. They are comfy, looks good, feels good, and this black one I got it from Shein, which is not available right now, but it's one of my favorite night suit to wear. And just I like lighting up the mood with some scented candles, and also I like journaling my thoughts and just working with a nice cup of any detox tea, just unwinding. And even when I'm working, I like to have a mahal created around me, just uplifts my mood. Try it out. Hello guys, it's currently 7 p.m, almost like 6:57, and I'm going to go and get dinner. Today for dinner I do have one of my most favorite dinners of all time. I have got besan ka chila, which I absolutely love. I put some veggies in it, like I put some tomato, chilies, and a little bit of onion, and it's a basic besan ka chila. It's so delicious, it's yum. With this paneer ka sabzi, which I absolutely love. It has got a little bit of kaju paste in it, which amps up the paneer ka taste a little bit. But the main thing is to have like portion control. So one besan ka chila, a little bit of paneer ka sabzi is all I'm going to have for dinner. And it's already dinner time because it's 7 p.m, so yeah, make sure you have your dinner by 7 p.m, 7:30 max. Wrap it up. And yeah, also if you're wondering why I'm in such heavy makeup, is because I just finished filming a YouTube content for you guys. It's a perfume review video. Those videos will also be coming because that's what this channel is all about. The what I eat in a day and the weight loss journey is one side, but all the makeup related content, the perfume reviews, the skincare, the Nykaa hauls, those will also be coming, of course, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and another thing I just wanted to know from you guys, if you guys want to see like my room tour, my closet tour, I just have to get the shoe rack ready. It's not ready, it's all in boxes because otherwise it gets very dusty. So I'll just lay it out in a nice aesthetic manner. Just let me know, okay, if you guys are interested in the wardrobe haul. I have like a bag section, I do have like a shoe section. I have to like organize it properly to show you guys, so let me know if you are interested, then only I'll do it, otherwise there's no point. Okay.